Pencils are made of wood and contain graphite. There are many different grades of pencil, ranging from 9H, which is the hardest and lightest in shade, through to 9B, which is the softest and darkest in shade. This is due to the amount of clay in the graphite, with H graphite having more clay than B. Anything harder than a 3H or 4H tends to dent the paper, so do beware. Sketching crayons are smooth, hard pastels that are rich in pigment. They come in both pencil form and stick form. The stick form can be used on its edge to create fine lines or on its side to create broad tones. When it comes to paper, you really need to try different brands for yourself. It's all about preference. Look for paper between 90 and 140 GSM. Try paper that has a smooth and a not so smooth side. If the paper is too smooth, you may have trouble building up tone, as it's difficult to get the graphite to hold. Sketching pads can be ideal to start out with, especially if you're unsure what type of paper you should use. Blending tools are used to spread and smudge graphite as well as coal in order to produce smooth shading. Tortillons or blending stumps are made for this purpose and can be purchased at any art supply shop or online. Blending stumps are basically tightly rolled paper that look like a pencil in that they are usually pointed at each end. But if you don't have a tortillon, then cotton buds can be used instead, or failing that, try using a regular tissue instead. A putty or kneaded eraser is an excellent tool for picking up residue as well as removing or highlighting graphite, along with pastel, chalk and charcoal. Kneadable erasers can be moulded to any shape you require. A word of warning though, care should be taken if you're using a PVC eraser, as they can be rough on your paper and compromise your work. You'll want to keep your pencil sharp, so a pencil sharpener is a must. Some artists prefer to use a craft knife, as these are ideal for creating various types of points that are not possible when using a standard pencil sharpener. Glass paper or sandpaper is also useful for creating a variety of points on graphites, crayons, charcoals and pastels. Fixative is an acrylate spray that will preserve your work as well as protect it. Some people use hairspray, but do be warned because most hairsprays contain alcohol, and over time this will turn your paper yellow and ultimately spoil your works.